through Aasaan ERP AWM overview very quickly. We'll not go in detail today. I'll just be mentioning that what all you can do on AWM and how it could be helpful to manage your day-to-day operations if you are into a waste management business. So to start with, as you can see on the left, we have certain menus which will help you to manage certain resources, certain part of your business. Okay. Uh, to start with CRM, it's a detailed CRM where you can manage your leads, their follow-ups, uh, the convert into deals. You can manage their quotations, the contracts. You can even create job orders on top of the contracts, right? Manage your appointments, meetings. This could be integrated with Microsoft, Google Calendar, and everything. So all these things can be managed over here. That's the CRM part. Coming on to clients. So here you can manage your suppliers, customers. So all the clients have been divided into two parts. The suppliers are basically the people from whom you buy the raw material. Coming on to customers. Customers are the people to whom either you give service or you sell and I mean the finished goods to them. Okay. Then we have buying. In buying, you can manage your purchase orders, purchase register, invoices, GRN, uh, contracts around it. So all those things you can manage and you can generate reports. Coming on to selling. So here again, you can manage your sales register, your sales invoices, your sales contracts, delivery, pickups, all these things come into selling. In financials, you can manage all your payment entries, your receivables, payables, outstanding, dues, very detailed things you can manage over here. The CEO report is nothing but a snapshot of your entire business. This is generally applicable for the CEO or the head of the company who just want to see the snapshot of the company, how much we have sold, how much we have purchased, what is going on in the operations. So it gives a quick overview of the complete company's health. Then we have general accounting where you can manage certain things. This accounting is of very advanced level. Uh, Not only the basic accounting, you can manage your multi-year budgets, the tolerance limit, the credit limits, all those stuff around it. Then we have the stock. So stock is again in very detail. The cost valuation. See, understand the valuation part in waste management business is very typical. It's not just like the manufacturing business or any other business. So this is what we have done wonderfully well over here. The valuation thing is done in a excellent manner. So once you onboard with us, you'll come to know the beauty of this. Uh, then in the stocks, you have, of course, all the major things that you generally require. You can multi-warehouse management, multi-company management, multi-branch management, everything you can do from here. This is the production tool which is related to the waste management sector. I have repeated in my many videos that the production or the manufacturing, you could say, in terms of waste management is very different as compared to manufacturing companies, and it's entirely reverse of that. So it's a tedious task to manage the production in case of waste management companies, and that's where this particular module will come into picture. It manages MBR in case of e-waste, it manages segregation record in case of solid waste or something like that, tire waste or maybe other things. Complete HR you can manage right from giving a job application, publishing a job application till the time you recruit, you give appraisals, you make payments, payrolls, or at the end of the day maybe exit. So everything is covered in an excellent manner. Support is something, the kind of issues the you raise internally from the employees or you get it from the clients, all can be done. This system can be given it to the clients for login and they can manage from their end. I mean, they can log in and see the things which is related to them. We also have a mobile app for the same, which can be used if you want. Then they have NFS management. So NFS management is like buying, but we call it non-feed stock. This is more related to the buying of your assets or consumables that you use within your companies. So we have kept a separate section for it. Even the We call it vendors, the people. So we have not mixed up suppliers and vendors together, and the purchase also. So the asset purchase, consumer purchase, the asset maintenance, depreciation, all those, that asset journey, that will fall under NFS management. Then the ITAD, it is very specific to ITAD. So if you people are into information technology asset destruction, you can make use of this particular module. Operations, of course. So this is for the companies who are into municipal waste, solid waste, commercial waste, tire waste kind of thing. So if you want to generate reports, jobs, route optimization, tracking the vehicles, tracking drivers, okay, hauler management. So all those stuff which is related to the solid waste, that falls under this operation part. The quality assurance thing, you can manage quality of uh, your material, or maybe the bins, or certain quality checks that you want to perform at client site. All those things fall under quality. Then we have certain admin reports, and there are certain utilities. So few things to mention, since it's very quick overview. You can manage multiple companies over here if you want. There are multiple companies that is that can be managed. The other thing is, this is we have the complete approval framework. So if you want to manage multi-level of approvals, let's say purchase invoice, maybe go through the 3 or 4 level of approvals, you can do that. So we have the notification framework in place. You want to connect with WhatsApp, text messages, emails, or some other channels, you can easily integrate with them, provide different level of notification at different stages. All these things can be configured or formulated as you want. We have access level framework where the different level of access can be given to different person. So there are many flexible things that you can do around it, and it's a wonderful tool if you are into waste management sector. And at least as of today, I can bet you don't have any other option uh, for to manage complete business. Yes, you can get people managing some operation, you can get people managing accounting around it, but if you want an end-to-end system well integrated with each other to give you a deep drill down of the reports, then Aasaan ERP AWM could be the right choice for you. Thank you guys.